Let's look at our next task. There's always room for more. Under each page, you can also add another page, just like slides at the top left. On additional pages, but this will work on any, you can also add additional layouts, such as adding an image to the right or an image to the left. This would flow just like our previous pages have, just instead of transitions, it would be moving to another slide, like so. If you don't want another page, but want a whole nother section, that works too. On your main page, you'll see Add Topic in the same place you had Add Page. Drag where you want the new page to be and sequence it in your corresponding menu on the left. Drag and drop feature just like before. To make sure that your sequence is correct, use your navigation arrows to test from the previous slide to the new page that you wanted to use, and make sure that it sequences the way you needed it to.